Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying basics fast. Press both volume buttons to confirm they respond, and inspect edges for grime or damage. Next, open Settings, go to Sound and Vibration, and look for any automatic volume or adaptive audio switches. Disable them so system won't change levels. Once done, restart the phone to clear temporary faults. If variability persists immediately after reboot, boot into safe mode to rule out third-party apps altering volume. Once in safe mode, observe whether the volume stops changing automatically. If it does, you've isolated a third-party app. You should then remove recently installed audio managers, equalizers, or automation tools that hold microphone or accessibility permissions. Make sure to go to Apps, reset app preferences to remove hidden permission conflicts, and clear cache for the settings and system UI processes to eliminate corrupted state. After uninstalling suspects, reboot normally and test to confirm behavior as you've tried software fixes. Now back up photos and contacts and perform a factory reset as a last resort, because this eliminates deep system corruption. After the reset, make sure to test volume behavior before reinstalling non-essential apps so you know if the stock system is stable. If auto volume still happens after a clean system, it's likely hardware, faulty buttons, mic circuits, or a defective audio IC. So contact Xiaomi service or a qualified repair shop for diagnosis and repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.